Yes, so hello everyone. I hope that you know my dialogue very well. कि आप लोग सब अच्छे हो. I know that, and you are studying regularly at home. You are watching each and every video of mine. Okay, and yes, you are saying you are like sharing the doubts with me also. So that is why I am very happy. Okay, चलो. So now we are done with chapter 3 chapters, है ना. ग्रामर के 3 chapters हमारे हो गए हैं. Now we are moving towards chapter number 4, that is nouns. Okay, chalo. So this is the part 1, that is, you know that every time whenever the part 1 will be there, then ma'am is coming for explaining the same chapter, है ना. So here also I am going to explain nouns. अभी like you will say ma'am, these all chapters we have already learned. हमने ये सारे chapters learn किए हुए हैं, पढ़े हुए हैं, फिर भी again and again they are repeating the same thing. Why so? देखो, whenever the same chapters are coming, okay, because देखो these are all the very big chapters, बड़े बड़े chapters, so many things are there in that. Okay, so what is happening, like सब कुछ एक ही बार खिला देंगे, then you'll get bored only. So that is why what the authors are doing, they are giving in partitions, like थोड़ा सा जूनियर केजी में समझाया, थोड़ा सा सीनियर में, थोड़ा फर्स्ट सेकेंड में, एंड नाउ द फर्दर थिंग वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन. आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन इन दिस chapter. Okay, chalo, let us see. So first of all, before moving to the next slide, let me ask you, do you know anything about noun? आपको पता है noun क्या होता है ना. Yes, in second chapter, in second standard, you have learned about the noun. That is, nouns are nothing but which words? Naming words. Very good. Okay, so yes, whatever naming words are there, means whatever or whichever words are there, they are having names, है ना. उन सब के अपने अपने नाम है. So these all naming words are nothing but the nouns. ये सारे जो भी naming words है, they are what? They are the nouns only. But फिर भी like many types of nouns are there, है ना. We, like you have seen last year, I think you have seen the proper noun, common noun, or the noun only, or the naming words only. But now in this we are moving further. Okay, we are going to move further. Okay, चलो तो देखते हैं first of all कि noun होता क्या है. Okay, चलो. So I'm going to slide the same. So this is a simple example of noun. These are the simple categories like person, place, animal and thing. That is person, place, animal, things. So what are these? These are the nouns only, है ना. चलो देखो वहाँ पे छोटा सा लिखा है, 4 slides will identify nouns as person, place, animal, thing. So means noun is the mixture of person, place, animals, things. If the person will be there, like यहाँ पे देखो आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, that nurse is or a doctor is there, the pianist or that player is there, ठीक है. Even the girl is also there. So these all are who? These are the noun, है ना. Even here you can see that the places are there. Some maps have been drawn. Okay, then building has been shown to you. एक building पीछे दिखाई दे रही है. Okay, so what are these? These are the different places. Then here also you can see that animal. देखो in animal that bird picture has been given. So animal का मतलब only and only animals नहीं, birds also, insects also. देखो frog has been there, frog is there. Okay, so that type of like reindeer type of like that animal is there. He is having that big thorns, है ना. So yes, even the bird is also there. So all the bird, all the animals and all the insects, these all are the nouns. ठीक है, याद रखना. Now things are there, so different kind of thing like flower, umbrella, that cap, है ना, cap with that bow. So these all are the nouns only. So yes, nouns are having 4 categories. Even one more category is also there, that is feelings. वो यहाँ पे दी नहीं है, but I am telling you that yes, all kinds of feelings are also nouns, like happy, sad, sorrow. These kind of feelings are also there. Excited. So these feelings are also the nouns only. Okay, so yes, these are the 4 categories of nouns. No doubt we are going to perform an activity. एक activity मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी इसके ऊपर, ठीक है. Then only you will get to know कि yes, these are the nouns. So yes, इतना याद रखना that all naming words, either they are person, places, animals or things, all things are the nouns only. Okay. Now here I have given a beautiful slide to you, that is which is this. So these are nothing but these balloons shows you the types of nouns. मैंने बताया था that ऐसा नहीं है कि only one type of noun that is naming words are there. Naming words में भी अलग अलग तरीके के naming words होते हैं, है ना? They are having the different categories. So category wise I have given these chart to you. So here you can see that in that balloon in pink, common noun; in blue, collective noun; in green, concrete noun; in orange, that countable noun; in green, that parrot green, proper noun; that pinkish is that, like red is there, so compound noun, abstract noun, uncountable noun. So these all nouns are there in your chapter. One by one we are going to study them. Okay, chalo, let us look at that. So here you can see that एक example के साथ भी आपको पता चल जाएगा that common noun. So a boy is there, so yes, a boy is common noun. Okay, then proper noun. So you can see that Eiffel Tower is there. It is in Paris. Okay, it is the longest iron tower of the world. Not longest, it is the highest tower. Okay, so yes, that is also there. Then collective noun like family. Okay, collection of people are there, so that is why collective noun. Then compound noun, that toothpaste is there. वो आएगा तब मैं समझाऊंगी. Now a chair is there, that is concrete noun. ये सब आपको समझ में आएगा. Abstract noun, happiness. Okay, even countable noun, birds. Uncountable noun, what is sugar has been given to you. So what are these examples? अभी पता नहीं चलेंगे. When you heard about the explanation, then only you'll get to know. Okay, चलो, let us see that. First is a proper noun. So what is proper noun? A proper noun names a specific person, place, thing, day of the week, months of the year or holiday. तो ये बेटा proper noun क्या है? No doubt, nouns means we know that person, place, animals or things. They all are the nouns. ठीक है, ये सारे nouns होते हैं. But if these nouns are having a name, like a particular name, like if we say like person में हम गिनेंगे boy, girls, है ना, man, woman, old woman. So these all are the person only. Okay, mother, father, sister, these all are the person. But if these persons are having name, like teacher is also a person, teacher भी person में आएगा, so yes, it is a noun only. But your teacher is having a name, myself, Asha Bhavsar. Okay, so I am your Asha ma'am. So Asha, if that thing is having a particular name, then that will become the proper noun because it is having the proper name. You are getting my point? That if the nouns are having a proper name, then they'll be calling as proper noun. Okay, like Mr. Shah, Mr. Patel, यहाँ पे लिखा है Dr. Smith, Mrs. Jones. So yes, these persons or these people are having the particular or a proper name. That's why it has been called as proper noun. So here in the second category you can see that place is there. Okay, so यहाँ पे लिखा है Albertsons school's name or maybe post office name, whatever. Okay, even that another example like Clark Elementary. So it is that building is also having a name like Clark Elementary. That building is having the name like Albertsons. Okay, so what are these? These are the buildings only. These are the places only. But yes, it is having a particular name. It is having a proper name. Like our school. School is a place, so you will say, ma'am, yes, school is also a noun only. School भी एक noun है, but our school is having a name like what? That is United Public School. So that United Public School will be a proper noun. उसको क्या बोलेंगे बेटा? Proper noun बोलेंगे. Like all the holidays, like Valentine's Day, then Thanksgiving Day, even this Thursday, the days of the week, the days of the month, or the name of the months. Okay, even the year. So these months of the year, so these are having like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. एक ही है ना? Monday means हमको पता चलता है जिस Sunday के बाद में जो आता है वो वाला, like today is a Monday, आज Monday है, I am shooting the video. Okay, so yes, this is a proper name. So all the days of the week, all the months of the year are having a proper name, a particular name. So yes, we can call it them as proper noun. Even the things are there like car, table, okay, then blackboard or green board, whatever, that fan, okay, which is running over my head. So yes, these all are the things, okay, so they are the nouns only. But if they are having a particular name, है ना. लाइक यहाँ पे देखो कार हैज़ बिन गिवन, लेकिन उसका नाम दिया है Ford F-150. इवन दैट ड्रिंक, दैट कोल्ड ड्रिंक इज अ नाउन ओनली बिकॉज इट्स अ थिंग, एक थिंग है, एक चीज है. लेकिन इफ दैट कोल्ड ड्रिंक और दैट सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक इज हैविंग अ नेम लाइक Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Fanta, Mirinda. So these all brands, these all things are having the name. So that's why it is a proper noun. So you are now getting like whatever nouns, like common things are there. So many soft drinks are there in the market. Okay, so they all are the common nouns or the nouns only. But if those things, no doubt, definitely those things will be having the name. And as those things will be having the names, we can call them as proper noun. No doubt, हम activity करेंगे, then only your picture will be more clear. So let us move to the next slide. Common noun, जिसका नाम नहीं है, they are the common, like cat. Here cat is there, but वहाँ पे आप दूसरी वाली cat को भी जानते, पता है Tom and Jerry वाली Tom. हाँ, so that's a cat only है ना, but it is having a name Tom, so that's why it is a proper noun. But here no name has been given, so cat will be a common. Man, उसका नाम हमको नहीं पता है, so man will be common. Now furniture is there, it is also common. Boy is there, it is also common because the name has not been given. Even the house is there, house, पता है ना कि कोई लोगों के घर का नाम भी होता है, like even in whatever apartments or in whatever bungalows or mansions we are living, okay, or the tenements we are living, if it is having a name, then it will be a proper noun. That all the flowers, fruits, animals, these all are the common nouns. ठीक है, like tiger, lion, fruit में banana, mango, these are so many mangoes are there. देखो, it is also having plural. याद रखना, जिन जिन चीज़ों का प्लूरल आप कर सकते हो, दे ऑल आर द कॉमन नाउन. और जिन जिन चीज़ों का आप प्लूरल नहीं कर सकते, लाइक मी, सो यू विल से मैम आशा मैम्स. नो, you can't say that. You can say that like Eiffel Towers. No, it is only one in the world. You can say like Taj Mahals, 2 or many Taj Mahals are there in India. No, you can't say that because only one is there. So that's why they are proper. But these things like cat, तो cat का plural cat, मैन का प्लूरल MEN मैन, फर्नीचर का फर्नीचर ही होता है, बॉय बॉयज, हाउस हाउसेस, फ्लावर फ्लावर्स, फ्रूट फ्रूट्स, एनिमल एनिमल्स. So these all things are having the plural. If they are coming particularly like house ही दिया हुआ है, तो you can say that yes it is common noun. But अगर आपको house का नाम दिया हुआ है like Mr. Grandson's house or whatever, so then it will be a proper noun. Okay, चलो let us move to the next noun, that is countable noun. Very easy nouns, you can count. ठीक है ना, इसमें कोई like rocket science नहीं है, there is no rocket science in that. Like countable nouns, what do you mean by countable nouns or countable? So means if we are going to count them like this, 1 2 3 4. So if you are going to count, or if you can count the nouns on the fingers, 1 2 3 4 5, that way, so they all will be countable nouns. Countable मतलब जिसको count कर सकते हैं. ओके, यू कैन यूज ए और एन इन फ्रंट ऑफ काउंटेबल नाउन्स. येस, हमने आर्टिकल्स में पढ़ा था दैट इफ इट इज ओनली अ सिंगल थिंग, तो यू कैन यूज ए और एन बिफोर देम एज आर्टिकल्स, है ना. याद हुआ ना, याद आया थोड़ा थोड़ा. वोवेल्स, कॉन्सोनेंट्स, 5 वोवेल्स, 21 कॉन्सोनेंट्स, याद आ रहा है ना, अच्छे से याद आ रहा होगा. And nouns that have a plural form, जिसका plural हो सकता है, they are also the countable nouns. Here some examples have been given, like book, a book, एक ही बुक, बुक का बुक्स तो होता ही है. एलिफेंट, एन एलिफेंट, एक ही एलिफेंट दिया है. अ चेयर, अ कार. सो दीज ऑल आर द काउंटेबल नाउन्स, क्योंकि आप काउंट कर सकते हो. आई एम हैविंग 2 बुक्स, आई एम हैविंग 3 बुक्स. एलिफेंट, देर आर 4 एलिफेंट्स इन द जू. ओके, देर आर 6 चेयर्स इन माई हाउस. There are 12 cars on the road right now. So yes, that way you can count them, you can number them also. Okay, so these all are the countable nouns. Now what are the uncountable nouns? So here I am not giving the explanation. कि इसमें मैंने कुछ लिखा नहीं है that which are the uncountable nouns, because it is obvious that कि जिसको count कर सकते हैं, if they are the countable nouns, then the nouns which cannot be counted are called uncountable noun. You are getting me? Very good. Okay, so जिसको count नहीं कर सकते, अभी यहाँ पे कैसे count करना है? Like this only. 1 2 3 4 5. This way you have to count. So देखो यहाँ पे, ठीक है. Sadness, तो आप कभी कभी ऐसे मम्मा से कभी गुस्सा हो जाते थे, आप बोलते हो ना मम्मी आज मैं बहुत सैड हूँ, डोंट टॉक विथ मी, और मम्मा आपको बोलती है ज़्यादातर यू आर नॉट लिसनिंग टू मी ना, आई एम वेरी वेरी सैड टुडे। सो मम्मा ऐसे बोलती हूँ मैं आज 1 सैड हूँ, आज मैं 2 सैड हूँ, आज मैं 3 सैड हूँ, दैट वे द मम्मा इज सेइंग लाइक नो आई एम वेरी सैड, वेरी शी इज यूजिंग वेरी, बट शी इज नॉट यूजिंग आई एम 1 सैड 2 सैड 3 सैड, दैट वे शी इज नॉट सेइंग ना। सो मीन्स शी कैन नॉट काउंट द सैडनेस, अपनी दुख, मतलब अगर वो दुखी है तो उनको काउंट नहीं कर सकती, उनको ऐसा बोलते बहुत दुखी हूँ, थोड़ी सी दुखी हूँ, थोड़ी कम दुखी हूँ, दैट वे शी कैन एक्सप्लेन। इवन जैसे यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है सिंगिंग, तो आप ये बोल सकते हो दैट आई हैव लाइक sang 2 songs or 3 songs, so songs are countable, but your singing is not countable, singing is an expression only, so you can't count it. Even tea, ठीक है, you can say that mama, no doubt you like the children used to not drink tea, वो ज़्यादातर बच्चे तो दूध ही पीते हो आप लोग, चाय तो पीते नहीं, लेकिन if many children or some children are there who are having tea in breakfast or at breakfast, so they will say ma'am mama please give me 1 cup of tea, 1 कप चाय देना, 2 कप, because cups are countable, you are getting me, कप का प्लूरल होता है कप्स, so they are countable, but आपको कभी मम्मा को आप ऐसे बोलते हो मम्मा मुझे 1 चाय दो ना, मम्मा मुझे 2 चाय दो ना, 3 दो, 5 दो, that way you are not saying chai, you are saying cup of tea, you are not saying tea only, you are getting me, so that way the tea is also not countable, means it is uncountable. Like even money, yes, यहाँ पे बहुत लोग मिस्टेक करते हैं, बट आप मत करना, लेट मी एंड लिसन मी बाय ओपनिंग ईयर्स, ना पूरे कान खुले करके सुन लेना एक ही बार में। Now, money is uncountable. आप तो बोलोगे मैम how money can be not countable? It is countable obviously, because we are asking for 10 rupees, we are asking for 50 rupees, that way. So we can count 10, 50, 20, 100, 1000, 2000, that way we can count. So it is countable. No, it is not countable. Now listen to me. Like, if I'll be having in my hand 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 50 रुपी नोट, 100 रुपी नोट एंड 200 रुपी नोट, है ना, मेरे पास में क्या है, 10 है, 20 का नोट है, 50 का है, 100 का है और 200 का है, these 5 notes I am having, okay? तो मनी अनकाउंटेबल कैसे हुआ, सुनो, तो इफ यू आर गोइंग टू काउंट देम, तो हमने रूल में क्या पढ़ा है, वी आर गोइंग टू काउंट देम लाइक 1 2 3 4 5, तो मेरे पास 5 नोट्स है, NOTE नोट्स, सो दीज नोट्स आर काउंटेबल, लेकिन इफ यू वैल्यू देम, अगर वो वैल्यू करोगे तब बोलोगे मेरे पास तो 5 नोट है, तो मम्मा को कैसे पता चलेगा कि आपके पास कितने, हाउ मच ऑफ मनी यू आर हैविंग, दैट द पर्सन कैन नॉट गेट, बिकॉज यू आर सिंपली सेइंग आई एम हैविंग 5 नोट्स, अभी आपने बताया नहीं दैट आई एम हैविंग 1 ऑफ 50 रुपी, 1 ऑफ 100 रुपी, 1 ऑफ 20 रुपी, 1 ऑफ 200 रुपी, दैट वे यू हैव नॉट एक्सप्लेन, you have explained I am having 5 notes. So if you are going to count like that, then the value of money will be different, value गलत हो जाएगी आपकी, so that's why money is uncountable. But if notes have been given, so yes, notes are countable. Even the coins have been given, so coins are countable, क्योंकि coin का coins plural होता है, you are getting me, so that way it is countable, but the value of that money will be, because how much of money you are having, आप ही count करो, 20 plus 50 70, 70 plus 100 170, 170 plus 200, that is 370, 370 plus 10 rupees, that is 380 rupees you are having in total. But if somebody will ask how many notes you are having, you will say 5 notes. So where, मतलब एक जगह पे you are having 5 and another hand you are having 380 rupees. So the person are not going to get how much of money you are having. So that's why money is uncountable. Money को जब आप count करोगे 1 2 3 like, then the value of that money will be different. You are getting? You got it ना? Okay, चलो. Now rain. Rain is also uncountable, हाँ, क्योंकि आप ऐसे नहीं, आज 1 बारिश हुई, 2 बारिश हुई, 3 हुई, you will say आज बहुत बारिश हुई थी, हाँ, when the cyclone was there was a lot rain or in Gujarat or in many parts of India. Okay, so yes, that way you have to say कि यार आज बहुत बारिश है, बहुत थोड़ी बारिश हुई थी, so थोड़ा बड़ा, but you are not saying like 1 2 5 8, no, so that's why rain is also uncountable. Got it? Now other like we can say that nouns are also there that I am going to explain in the next video. Okay, I hope that these all things यहाँ पे गई है. ओके, एंड यू आर गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस देम. हाँ, इफ यू नॉट प्रैक्टिस फॉर द सेम, नथिंग यू आर गोइंग टू गेट. कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा. सो प्रैक्टिस देम एंड फोकस ऑन द एक्टिविटी ऑल्सो. आई जस्ट लाइक टेक वन एक्टिविटी फॉर द सेम थिंग. टिल देन नहीं समझ में आया, जस्ट वॉच द वीडियो अगेन सो दैट ईच एंड एवरी वर्ड विल बी देयर. यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे सारे वर्ड्स. ओके, चलो, योर माय मिस साइनिंग ऑफ बेटा. बाय बाय.